new composition, and here I'm going to use this settings. So you can use which resolution you want, and then okay, and then we're gonna have to right click, and then here we right click, and then here we're gonna select solid, then I click on OK, and then here we're gonna have to go to effect here, and here in effects I'm just gonna write here, this color gradient, drag it onto this this solid layer, and now this is what we have here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add here a keyframe, here a keyframe, here a keyframe, here a keyframe, and now I can move a couple of seconds and just move these the way you want. You're just moving like the colors, so we're doing this because we want to create animation. Then I'm just gonna click on here on this layer, press U, and then now I'm just, or select both actually, of course, and then Control V, and then you can actually now highlight this as well. Control C, Control V, and then now after you did all of this, now you can click on. You have this here. You have this turbulence to a new adjustment layer. So add this turbulence displays to this apply to this adjustment layer. Start about even high, kind of higher this size as well. Then here I'm gonna double click here. Then here in you see this, just delete that and click and write time asterisk 300. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna the thing I'm gonna add here is motion title, and move this actually move this above. Make sure you check mirror edges here. Then here I'm gonna type 300, or you can go 380, and then here 380, and then here. Now this is what we have here. All right, and I'll show you something interesting now later on to add some very nice noise. Now what I would add here is to go and write noise. Now if you want some noise to your video, just increase this amount of noise from here around like this. I think it's even less. Yeah, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and like this video if you found it helpful.